Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my third lesson of new syllabus Mathematics D1 7th edition exercise 11C, that is about the polygon properties and interior and exterior angles. In this class, students, we will be learning and discussing intermediate level question number 11, and I am making these lessons on special request of my juniors. And juniors, how can I forget about you? In my previous week, I sent 2 to 3 lessons to you about the polygon properties. I hope you have watched those lessons and you are clear that what is polygon, okay, what are the interior and exterior angles and exterior angles, okay, what is the formula for finding sum of interior angles of polygon, and what is the sum of exterior angles of any polygon. These are the questions which have to be clear to all of you, because if these questions are not clear, the lesson will be difficult for you. So, if you have missed the previous lesson or you are catching us late, I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box, so that you can watch and understand that lesson properly for better understanding of this lesson. And this question has some technical points involved, so don't miss any part of the lesson and don't go anywhere, because if you will be missing any part of the lesson, you will not be getting the lesson. So, let us begin the lesson. Okay. Question 11 says A, B, C, D, E, F and G are the regular vertices of heptagon, or is a regular heptagon. If A, B and B, C are produced, A, B and B, C are produced so that they are meeting at H, we have to find the value of B, H, C. We have to find the value of B, H, C. I will be reading the question again. There are so many things that I need to clear. That this shape is a regular heptagon. Okay. So, first of all, we need to understand that what is the meaning of the term regular. If you recall my previous lesson, you can see that the regular shapes are the shapes which has all sides and all angles are of equal measure. So, one thing is clear, that all of the sides of this shape are of the same length and all interior angles are also of the same size. And now, the second problem is that we have to understand that what is the meaning of the term heptagon. Either you can learn the names by heart. The triangle is a 3-sided shape, quadrilateral 4, penta 5, hexa 6, hepta 7, octa 8, nona 9 and deca 10. Or what we can do is, if we have to be wise enough, we can count the sides as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, it means the heptagon is a shape which has 7 sides. And now, what has happened, students, that when I am extending, producing means when I am extending AB side and CD side, they are meeting each other at one point, and that point is marked with letter H, and we have to find the value of BHC. Okay, one request to all of my students, that you maybe you will be finding noise in my videos in these days. You had summer conditions, so we cannot live without fans and ACs, so you have to please bear me with these conditions. Okay, we'll focus on the lesson and enjoy the lesson. Now, look, what is the method of finding the angle BHC? Look, if I am able to find angle B or angle C, yes, whatever will be the value of angle B, same will be the value of angle C, then I can subtract that angle from 180 degrees. If we look at angle B towards this side, they are making the semicircle. They are adjacent to each other. So I can subtract this value from 180 degrees to get this exterior angle. Whatever will be the value of this exterior angle, same will be the value of angle C. So it means that in order to find BHC angle, first we have to find angle B and C of this small triangle, and before that I am going in the reverse order, that I have to find angle H. In order to find angle H, first we have to find angle B and C. We need this angle, and in order to get these two angles, I need basically angle B or C of the regular heptagon. So let's begin and find the angle of the interior angle of the heptagon. So recall the formula, that what is the sum of interior angles of regular polygon. Sum of interior angles of what? Heptagon. And heptagon is of how many sides? Heptagon, this is the requirement of question. So I'll begin with sum of interior angles of the polygon. Angles equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. It has a short way as well. I'll be telling you at the end, so you have to stay with me till the end of the lesson. N minus 2 is 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180, and 7 minus 2 is 5 multiplied by 180, and this will give me 18 5s is 90 and 10. Okay, I'm trying to perform the calculations without calculator, because these questions can come in O-level examination paper 1. Now we have the sum of these all 7 angles, students, with us, but we need size of each interior angle. So size of interior angle each. So recall the formula, that size of interior angle, size of one interior angle equals to sum of angles upon number of sides. This is the formula, this is the rule that you have to keep in your mind and apply in your later working, so that learning become perfect. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we have to divide 900 by 7. Okay, let's try to divide 900 by 7 mentally. 900 divided by 7, 7 ones are. I want to teach my students the calculation without calculator as well. The purpose of this class is to give the understanding of the topic as well as how to perform the calculations mentally. I'm left with 2. I have to bring 0 down. 7 2s are 14, and then 10 minus 4 is 6, and then I have to bring this 0 down. 7 8s are 56, and I'm left with 4, and this will give me then I can put the decimal here and make 0. 7 5s are 35, and 5 is the remainder, so it will be around 128.5 degrees. So size of one interior angle is 128.5 degrees. So this is not the requirement. Our requirement is to find angle CBH. Angle B and C both will be of Meyer 128.5, and why they are of same Meyer? Because they are the angles of the regular heptagon. And now CBH angle will be equal to 180 minus 128.5. Now again big problem that how to perform the calculation. Okay, let me perform the calculation here. 80.0 and 128.5 minus 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, let me check the calculation once again. That 180 minus 128.5, this gives me 51. 7 minus 2, 51.5. 51.5 degrees. So it means angle B, CBH equals to BCH equals to 51.5 degrees. And now, but this is not the requirement of the question. Again, this small triangle has both the angles are of same measure, so it means that this is again an isosceles triangle. Let me draw the figure here. For understanding purpose, please give small references in your working so that the examiner can understand your message. This is C, this is B, and this is H. Okay, and this is 51.5, and H we need to find. So BHC angle, we know that what is the sum of interior angles of the triangle, that is 180 degrees. Okay, let me perform the calculation because this lesson is specially for the junior students. For you, B plus C plus H equals to 180 degrees. B and C both are same, isosceles triangle, 51.5 plus 51.5. So this will give me plus H equals to 180 degrees. Okay, 51.5, 103, 5 of 5, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, and 1, 3, 3 and 10, 103 plus H equals to 180 degrees. H equals to 180 minus 103 degrees, and when I am taking away 103, 77 degrees angle H, or BHC equals to 77 degrees, which was the requirement of question. Students, I hope you are really clear that how we are finding the sum of interior angles of the polygon, and how we are finding the exterior angles, and how we are applying the concept of isosceles triangle.